how to fix your Apple ID or App Store account is disabled. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now, if your account is disabled simply because you tried to log in too many times, and that's the reason why your account is disabled for a bit or blocked, then what you can simply do is just go to iforgot.apple.com, and then right here fill in your Apple ID, and you can just simply reset your password. Now, if that is not the case and your account is actually just disabled and you don't really know the reason or whatsoever, then what you can do is go to getsupport.apple.com and then scroll a bit down and choose the device you have a problem with, or actually just click on Apple ID. So right here, click on Apple ID, and then right here you can choose one of these options. So right here it says disabled Apple ID, so you can just click on that, and then you have a couple different options. So you can choose one of these, maybe the top one right there, and then scroll a bit down, and it says you can unlock your account by changing or resetting the password for your Apple ID. And so as I just said, you can do that. But if that still doesn't work, then you can click on Talk to Apple Support Now or chat with them. So if you click on that, you can actually start a chat with Apple Support, and you can chat with them, and hopefully they are able to re-enable your account. So that's it. I hope this can help you out. If it did, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.